Hey, how you doing? This is Jason with Duke City Marketing. Kind of want to go over real quick about logos and logo design. Somebody had asked me the other day about a logo, and I want to make sure that you understand what it exactly entails with logo design. Before you go looking at a cool logo or thinking, oh, I like this one or I like that one, think of it as like a tattoo. I mean, I have a ton of tattoos, and I know many of you do. But you can get a generic tattoo that you can just pick off the wall, or you can take some time, consideration, and make that tattoo about you. And it's the same as a logo. Whether you want your initials in it, whether you want to have your name in it, whatever it may be, make sure that it's personal, make sure it's you, make sure it's the colors that you like, and then go from there. But if you need any help with logo design, we'd be more than happy to help you with that at dukecitymarketing.com. That's www.dukecitymarketing.com. Have a great day.